quantitative data about 5 members. So I am going to apply just to watch the details from beginning to end. So here you type weight. If one type the weight, the entire row is filled. The entire row is filled. What you are going to do, name slightly you change, some short form, maybe WE, or without changing the name also nothing will happen. And measure, you give scale, only this alignment you do, rest of the things don't touch. First one is a weight, and the second, make it is a blood pressure, BP, then entry. So short form B, simply leave it B. Okay, again you give measurement point of scale. Why I have to give the scale? That is also reason is there. Further video I will tell you very clearly what are the measurement things we supposed to concentrate. Okay, so this location may be considered as a variable view. After completing the variable view, next we have to go for data view. In the data view, short form displayed weight and blood pressures. Two things available. Now I am going to enter data view only for the weight. The person name is 152, another one 169, 169, third one 175. Sorry, you have to enter below 175, fourth one 180, fifth one 200. This is only for weight. Based on the weight, blood pressure also listed. 152 weight, blood pressure measurement 125, below 130, then 139, then 143, last one 150. So this is data. So kindly understand. First variable view we supposed to complete. Second data view. For understanding purpose only two attributes as well as data also only 5 data we are entered. Now we want to calculate correlation coefficient, I mean relationship between one variable to other variable, especially for weight versus blood pressures. For the purpose, what is our next step in the sense? Go for analyze, slowly do analyze, then correlate. Correlate, 4 option is there. You select only for first one, bivariate. While you are opening the bivariate, this kind of box will appear. In the box, two data is there. What you have written in the variable view, weight and blood pressures. You select both the things, then you send to right side variable box. After completing this process, don't touch any other key in the place because already tick mark Pearson is there. Pearson, Kendall, Stauby and Spearman. So meaning is there. If we are taking only quantitative data, use Pearson. Then only qualitative data, use Spearman. In case qualitative data versus quantitative data, use Kendall, Stauby. So further video I will tell you how we can use Spearman, Kendall, Staudials. So it is very simple. Now just you give OK. After giving the OK, you are getting some output screen. In the output screen, they are mentioned weight, blood pressure, and Pearson correlation, significant two-tailed, and n means number of observations. Number of observation only for 5. Here, weight is dependent variable, blood pressure is independent variables. These things. So based on this, we come to know, the interpretations, weight as well as the blood pressures, we come to know positive relationship between weight as well as blood pressures. What do you mean by positive relationship in the sense? For example, weight if you are increasing, blood pressure also increasing. Then weight is downsizing, blood pressure also downsizing. That is positive relationship. Negative relationship in the sense, weight is increasing, blood pressure is a downsizing. So in this problem, positive relationship, both the things simultaneously moving towards positive directions. Based on this, only I can conclude it is positive correlation. Even the positive correlation point of I positive correlations. Positive point of also three things is there. One is less correlation, moderate correlation, and high correlations. Here we are having very high correlation. Based on the weight, blood pressure, definitely it seems to increasing or downsizing. Other factor also is there. For example, if you are considering sugar or any other disease point of. But based on this problem, we come to know weight as well as blood pressure having very close relationship between one to others. Even if you want to prove with help of the graph also, even I can prove. Just you have to go for the next one more slide activity. Graphics, graphs. You click the graphs, legacy dialog, then scatter. You select scatter. In the scatter, simple scatter you select, define. Now y-axis weight, x-axis blood pressures. Enough. Give OK. Same answer if you are going to get or not. For example, these things, blood pressure as well as weight point of 0.963. Same answer through help of the graph also we supposed to get. Then only we are doing right way activities. Okay. Hope so. Now give the OK. Now you have to look at the points. Almost straight line is there. Even if you want to identify whether it is a straight line or not, in the graph you do double click. That's it. After the double click, here you take your cursor. For example, data label mode, show data labels. Likewise, the fifth one, you just click this one. Okay, enough. Close it. Then here also you close once again. Close it. Nothing wrong. Close it. Even previous your output screen itself, you come to know here r square linear equal to 0.926. 928, sorry, 0.928. So almost it seems to similar r square as well as the correlation value, almost it seems to similar value we come to know here. Here significant value 0.008. Significant always less than 0.05 in the sense significant value is highly significant. If you're considering 0. Above 0.05 in the sense not significant. So hope so. Right now you are understand in the detailed manner relationship between weight versus and blood pressure. Strongly relationship between having weight as well as blood pressure. Based on this problem, we come to know we must reduce our weight, then only we can reduce our blood pressures. This is one of the practical answer. Hope so you understand from beginning to end what do you mean by correlation coefficients, how we can enter the data from data view, variable view, and what are the algorithm we supposed to follow. So based on this, we come to know SPSS role, how easily we are going to predict the end value. Maybe MBA and other students, the laboratory purpose, you kindly use it, then you do your interpretations. Remarkable conclusion about this problem. Hope so you understand all the information with the help of limited data only have been displayed. Hope so you are enjoyed this video. So kindly subscribe my channel.